Hey guys, Assalamualikum, hello, hi, and welcome to my kitchen. This is Firdaus Nuran with you all, and in this video, we are going to say how to make pineapple pastry. It's a very sweet traditional Taiwanese pastry containing flour, butter, egg, and sugar with some sliced pineapples. And these pastries have become top-selling souvenirs in Taiwan. Isn't it interesting? Let's start with the recipe now. Now take a nice clean bowl to which you will be adding in 20 grams of cream cheese triangles and butter which is unsalted and softened 75 grams. Now first we will whisk the butter and the cream cheese until they are nice light and fluffy. Once they turn nice light and fluffy, we'll add the sugar gradually. Now we will be adding in 2 eggs one at a time. So we'll add 1 egg, whisk it, and then we will add the second egg and whisk it again. After whisking the eggs, we'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence and half cup of buttermilk to it. Now mix all these ingredients together. Now to this wet mixture, we will be adding in the dry mixture. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, along with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We'll sieve all the dry ingredients and blend it to form a nice cake batter. Now pour this batter into a baking tin. I am using a spring foam, but gentle tap release the air bubbles. This goes into the oven for at least 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's get the icing ready. I'm going to use whipped cream. It's a fresh whipped cream. So let's take a nice chilled bowl to which you'll be adding in nice chilled whipping cream. This is around 150 ml of whipping cream, and I have already chilled the beater. So I'm going to beat this until it is nice and stiff and fluffy. And once it turns stiff and fluffy, I'll add vanilla extract to it and beat once again to mix all this together and form the fluffy whipping cream. Now set this in the refrigerator. Moving on, my cake is baked and you can see it is beautiful, and I have to cool this before I slice the cake. It's cooled now. I'm going to slice off the cake into 3 equal layers and start my icing. Now I have placed it onto the cake board and I'm going to apply a little bit of sugar syrup all over the cake so it makes it a little more spongier and softer. Now next I'm going to apply is the whipping cream evenly all over the cake, and then I'm going to I'm going to add sliced pineapples to it and then layer the second layer of the cake and repeat the same step until I reach the last layer of the cake. Once I reach the last layer of the cake, I'm going to cover the cake fully with the whipping cream and even out from all the sides and try to give a little bit of sharp edges as much as possible from my side to make it look prettier. I'm going to add some sliced pineapples along with some berries over it, and then if you want, you can also add some sprinkles around the cake to make your children's happier. And then let's cut the cake and see how beautiful the cake looks. And this is very soft, spongy and delicious, and I'm sure you try this recipe, you are going to be very happy having this delicious pineapple pastry at home. So guys, do try this recipe and share your comments in the comment section below. And until then, you take care. Allah Hafiz.